Mm, This is the budget monitoring and control for any project. So we have the activity here, description of activity, and the location. It's either basement, ground floor, first floor, second floor. So this is the activity in the site. So then the percent completion of its activity, and this is the contract price. So we put already the quantity based on the um, actual, then the rate of that quantity. So once we done that quantity, we have 3,700 example for this one activity only. But if we have 18 activity parallel, we are doing this activity, 3,000 is doing activity, 4,000. If we are doing parallel, many activity are there. It's possible that we can recover our overhead. So the total of this activity is 75,000. So this 75,000, every activity we have to put manpower. This is the manpower. Every activity we put two electrician. This is the rate. We can put also their name as a account uh, charge. So this to complete the 250 linear meter, and this is the total. So for this activity only, uh, we can pay the agency 2,083. So we will done 3,000. So 3,000 minus 2,000. So we are higher. Our collection is higher than the invoices. So we have to put also we have to deduct the manpower supervisor. The supervisor calculation, let's say the salary of the supervisor is 5,000, divide by the 30 days so that you can do per day. Then times 5. Let's say you have 5 supervisor for many activities, because each supervisor can handle 2 to 3 activities or more. So divide 18, because 18 activities are there, is coming only 192. So in this activity, we consume only supervisor 192. Why? Because he is managing the many activities in the site. So if we can put one supervisor here in the basement, one supervisor in the ground floor, so the tools also we have to buy. The tools, we consider that once we buy tools, 6 months we can use. That's why we put only 500, and it become our asset. Scaffolding, we have to coordinate to the client. If the scaffolding is available area, we have to coordinate to the client, and meter per hour. So this meter per hour is productivity. This is the productivity we will reconcile to the agency according to the contract. So their people, they have to control, and we will inform them if there is a leasing. If there is a leasing or person, we have to inform him, and they have to meet this productivity. Like for example, six in 1 hour, they should have 6 linear meter. Example, in 6 meter per hour. So in 1 hour, they should make 6 meter. So overhead is our salary of the staff, divide 3 project, because we have 3 project, and divide 30 to get the Ferdi Ferdi times 4 days, how many days, then divide 18, because there are 18 activities. Our overhead, like staff, is monitoring for any project in the site. So we have to divide their costs. So the profit means this is your in this activity you make 3,000. Then you have to pay agency 2000. So you have to minus also the supervisor, the minus the tools, and minus the overhead salary of the staff. So it's coming only our profit is 716 only. But 716, if many activities parallel, you have in other, we are in this one activity we have 716, you have 83. This activity you have so it will come now, it will come 17,000 for this activity within 4 days, within 4 days. So this one is very good for monitoring. Any losses from agency we can write here. Any losses from the client we can write here. Like like for example, if 2 hours they are not working well, so working then not quality or repeated work. So the losses is 2 hours times 18 example times 18 18 times 4 days example. So 144 we can charge to them. This is your loss. You are not performing well, you are not meeting the productivity, so we have to deduct this one from your contract. Then again, if any claim from the client, like for example, no available materials, just any justification, no clearance, so we can calculate also here. So let's say 2 hours. We have proof, we have provision, we have proof that 2 hours we cannot able to work because times 500 example or 500 hour rate per hour times 4 days. Two in 4 days, two every 2 hours we cannot able to work because no materials, no materials. So we have to claim that one to the client. So that's it. So the important to us claiming of losses, do we have a supported document? That's why I'm implementing that daily monitoring by name. So this account will be charged to each activity. These people here, agency here, we will charge only according to this activity. So we cannot give him do whatever he want, but we have to specifically charge him in a particular activity. That's why we have account code. So the salary only coming to this account. It will not come to somewhere else. It will come to this account. So this account, this amount, only his salary will come to this salary. So that's why the important of this code is we cannot allow anyone to get this account. This account only we will get from this salary. Every activity there is account number. There is account number every activity. So those people belong to this account. Only he can get his salary. He cannot take in the other activity. He cannot know because there is a account number. So this is only the purpose. We can monitor as per the new contract of the agency. We can monitor only like this. We can monitor this kind of. So here very clear. We have a contract very clear here. We have a contract rate, that the quantity what we have done, and then this is the electrician. This is the agency that we have to pay him by this activity only specifically. So our profit will based on this minus the agency, minus the supervisor, minus the tools, minus the any losses or overhead. So the profit is come to the meeting net profit of the company. But if we have more activity, definitely we have this much. So we have activity in the external, in the service floor. We have activity in the this one, the second floor. We have activity. We have 4 activity in the second floor, and we have 3 activities second floor.